to study box. Dear friends, today we are going to learn about box model. Box model is a technique by which we can create great layouts, and also we can create our documents or data in a web page properly, or you can say every web page there is some layout we are following. To design that layout, box model is very important. Okay, so what are the properties we are following? Let's see. So box model consists of total three elements. One is margin, then border, then padding. So border is always there, but you can hide, you can show it. Okay. But without that, margin and padding is very important. How it is? See the example. I have a dotted lines. Assume this is a web page or body tag. Okay. And this black border you are seeing, right? This is my div tag. So I have given border width some 5 to 6 pixels and I have kept it. Now my requirement is I want to keep my border, or sorry, my content away from the parent div. On that case, what is happening? If this is my element, I need to keep outside boundary or outside gap, right? So to maintain the distance of outside from the element, means our present element, we can use margin. Okay. Similarly, if you want to keep distance the content or the inside element data, then we are using padding. Okay. So margin is outside, padding is inside. This is the first difference between these two. Other than that, increasing margin will not increase the width and height of the element, current element. Okay. And increasing of the padding will impact the width and height of the current element. Okay, friends. So how it is working, we'll see. So we have few parameters, or you can say the values what we are providing to these properties: margin, margin top, margin bottom, margin right, margin left. So like this we can provide inputs. Okay. And like it will take pixels, bh, bw, like this, any units. And one more thing, margin, if you are using only margin, you can put some value. That value will be global for all the sides, left, top, right. Okay. Or you can provide like 2 pixel, 2 pixel, 2 pixel, and 2 pixel 4 times, then also you can maintain. Or like if you want to change some side, then you can change accordingly. But also if you want to change only for one side, then on that case you can take margin top, margin bottom, margin right, or margin left. Similarly, padding also we are working the same way. Okay. So let's see the example. So here I have a div tag. I'm providing a class box. And border I will explain later in another chapter. Okay, save it. Now I'm going to run this. You can see this is my box. Box means a container. That's why it's called a box model, because it's a container. Now I want some distance from the outside or the parent. So here parent is the body. So div is my element, so body is parent. So I'll keep some margin 20 pixels. It will be a global because I have given only 20 pixel. Okay. Similarly, if I want only left, I can provide. Okay, friends. And now I'm giving some content inside, and that is B. Saved. So it is just came means at the initial stage, like area, right? If you'll see, it is the first line, or you can say first row, first column, correct? So in this scenario, what if you want to put it some like in some distance between, or the distance you want, right, for RMS to be so what you can do is you can put padding 20 pixel. See, did you noticed when I've used padding, it increased the width and height also, Correct. So this is how it is impacting the actual size of the element. Okay friends, so like this also you can create left. Okay, this is how box model works. Another chapter we will learn some other concept.